The trailer circuit STEM kit transforms the mystery of electricity into a concrete set of skills through the real-world context of wiring a trailer, making the learning process both accessible and practical. The kit includes 3 trailer circuit struts, each with a wire stripper and crimping tool, multimeter, auto light tester, screwdriver, batteries, 4 and 7-way connection harnesses, and a storage box. It also comes with a spare parts kit that includes spools of wire, crimp terminals, button splice connectors, and spare bulbs and terminal screws. Additionally, it comes with downloadable curriculum featuring presentation slides, a student workbook, and an answer key. The trailer circuits trucks are easy to operate, powering on at the flip of a switch. Students can use the trucks to practice wiring series and parallel circuits without any danger of being shocked. Once they understand the basics, challenge students to wire their trucks with the 4-way flat harness. Want to see if your circuit works? Simply press the corresponding electrical system control buttons. If the circuit's associated light turns on, you wired the circuit correctly. After they master the 4-way flat harness, they can try their hand at a 7-way round harness. Now that they have a good understanding of circuits and wiring, they can learn about the troubleshooting process. The trucks come with 10 built-in troubleshooting scenarios that simulate dead bulbs, loose connections, faulty ground, and more. You can navigate through scenarios at the click of a button, and students will use a real auto light tester and multimeter to troubleshoot the scenarios. Finally, you can put students' knowledge to the test with the Trailer Circuits Trucks Assessment Mode, where the trucks randomly select a scenario to simulate, and students must troubleshoot it without knowing the scenario number. Bring this unique kit into your classroom to help make learning electricity engaging, tangible, and safe. Contact us today to learn more about this powerful teaching tool.